Good morning, guys. Just a quick little video this morning. I know you chaps like videos on tools. I always seem to get a lot of comments on tools, and I've got loads and loads of tools. I've got so many tools and pieces of equipment, I don't know what I've got. I literally don't know what I've got. And you probably say, well, why is that? Well, I pick them up. I clean them up, repair them, sharpen them up, things that people throw away. If it's broken, I'll try and repair it. If it's not repairable, I'll take two broken ones and make one out of two, and then I'll use the better one I'll keep and then either dispose of or lend out or whatever the lesser quality ones. This was on the shelf the other day, and I thought, what's in this metal case? Well, as you can see, it's Makita, and it's and I realised why I hadn't seen it for a while or taken it out is because it's 110 volt. It's a jigsaw. I mean, a tool in a metal box, metal case nowadays, you wouldn't get that, would you? You get a cardboard thing. Anyway, this is it. It's an absolutely superb piece of kit. As I say, it's a Makita jigsaw. It's a model 4300BV, and it's 190 watts, 110 volt, as I say. I can use 110 volt equipment because I've got one or two of those, again, things people have thrown out. But I've also got a generator that will do 240 and 110 if I go out on site. What you can't see from this video is the sheer weight of this. I believe, let's turn that on. I believe I bought this in a boot sale. There was something wrong with this. I know I straightened this out. I think there was probably a width gauge shoe, you know, on there. Anyway, that's 100% as it should be at 90 degrees. It's got a lock-on feature. When you pull that, you can lock it on. This is nice because a lot of modern don't have that nowadays. As soon as you let it's health and safety rubbish, isn't it? And we've got on the trigger here, we've got a speed control. So we can speed it up, right down to a sensible speed. That really is a beauty. That really is a beauty. It's pretty old. As I say, I don't make them like this nowadays. I've got perhaps half a dozen horrible plastic Black & Decker jigsaws. They all wallop around. But this one's beautifully engineered. It's got a little roller at the back that supports the blade. And it's joy to use, absolute joy to use. As I say, I tend to look after things. That's a bit of a novelty nowadays, I believe. Oh dear, no, I mustn't get on me hobby horse. Right. Ooh. So that will go back on the shelf. At least I can remember what it is. Right, it goes that way around, I believe. Or does it go that way? Nope. Right, first time. No, that's not right. That is not right. Try that. Oh dear, oh dear. Wakey, wakey, mate. Wakey, wakey. So, if you see one of these in a boot sale, and it's cheap, highly recommend it. Highly recommend it. Makita.